to ease my worried mind, and you'll fall over me important to me, my miracle eye. If I had just one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere with you, the list is close to you. Whoa,
Chorus one.
call on you to no questions in the air, no asking why you're there, no looking back. Call on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle eye. Now, oh now, we've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as days go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Baik, kung ulit natin may isang request.
There's a light, a certain kind of light that never shone on me. Oh, what a light to be, to live with you, to live with you. There's a way in everybody's saying to do it in every little thing, but what good does it bring if I ain't that you, ain't not you, babe? You don't know what it's like see who I am. I'll leave them free for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. A smile, an everlasting smile, a smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you wrong, 'cause that would bring a tear to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Soft and everlasting words, and dedicate them all to me. And I will give you all my love. I'm here if you could call to me. You think that I don't even make single word I say.
Ayun naman yung minsan.
It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. I started the joke, we started a whole world living, but I didn't say that the joke was on me. Oh no, I started to cry. We started a whole world living. I always say that the joke was on me. I look up the sky, running my head and over my eyes, and I fell out of bed and hurt in my head from the things that I've said. Till I finally died, we started a whole world living. I'd always say that the joke was on me. Don't look so scared, and I know it's over,
Minsan.
but life goes on, and this whole world will keep on turning. Let's just be glad we have some time to open up together. There's no need to that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. All you want and tender body close tonight. You whisper of raindrops blowing soft across the window, and make believe you love me one more time. For the good times,
Minsan.
for the good times. Ay, kumanda to Mr. Request. Minsan dumarating sa buhay mo ang kabiguan. Minsan ang pagluha ay di mo mapigilan. Minsan nagtatanong ka sa iyong sarili, anong nangyayari sa buhay mo? Minsan parang ayaw mo na ika'y mabuhay. Lungkot ang siyang nag-aari sa iyong isipan. Minsan nagtatanong ka sa iyong sarili, sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo. Minsan umiibig ng tapat ang aking puso at nagtiwala sa kaniyang mga pangako. Ngunit nakita ko may iba siyang mahal. Minsan o kay sakit kong aking isipin, ngunit di ko magagawa iwasan, pagkat siya lang ang ibig ng minsan sa buhay mo.
Ay, tuloy mo pa lang.
minsan okay sakit kung aking isipin, ngunit di ko magagawa iwasan, pagkat siya lang inibig ng minsan. Sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo, ang tangi kong pag-ibig ay minsan lamang, ngunit iyong akala ay hindi tunay. Hindi ko lilimutin magpakailanman habang ako ay narito at may buhay. Malasin mo nagtitiis sa kalungkutan, ang buhay ko'y unti-unti lang pumaparang. Wari ko ba sinta, ako'y mamamatay kung di ikaw ang kapiling habang buhay. Magpakailanman habang ako ay narito at may buhay. Malasin mo nagtitiis sa kalungkutan, ang buhay ko'y unti-unti na pumapanaw. Wari ko ba sinta, ako'y mamamatay kung di ikaw ang kapiling habang buhay. Kung di ikaw ang kapiling